Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are going to check out a very special product, and it's definitely a must-have, I think, if you have any new Samsung products, but even if you just want a really cool wireless charger. This is the Samsung's new dual wireless charging pad, and I'm going to explain how it's different from the old one that I've had since this one launched. This is better, even though at the time of recording, this is $150, this is $100. So first let's get to the first one and then I'll explain how they're different. All right, so as we slide this out, they call this one Fast Charge 2.0. So a new standard in wireless charging is what Samsung is toting this as. But really what you need to know is the wattage overall, and they definitely tell you, you have to use the charger that this comes with, not the charger that your phone comes with, or else it will be underpowered. So just note that if you had planned on using your phone charger, like, oh, I'll just plug it into the Type-C and you'll be fine, it will not charge these at its full capacity if you do that. Let me go ahead and take this off. I only ever got to see this, and I don't know why there's like a kind of like a circle here. I'm really wondering if it's just to keep the cooling down. There's a fan on this side, but yeah, so very similar design. So actually, I will say it's the same charger as the old one as well. So let's go ahead and move this aside, and let's go ahead and put these two here. So we can kind of see this is definitely smaller than the original that we had last year. But one of the biggest things between these two is that these two have the same amount of charge, 7.5 watts on each one. Both of them will fast charge at 7.5 to their full extent when plugged in at the same time. So you can quick charge most devices with it. However, this one is a little bit different because this one has a different type of charge. So besides the 7.1 on one side, you also have the 12 watt on the other side. So the left side is a 12 watt charger and the right side is a 7.5 charger. So these two are the same, but these two are different. This one will fast charge every product that you had that fast charge was 7.5, obviously, and 10 watt even, but the 12 watt will faster charge the Galaxy S10 and ongoing. So I know a lot of people ask, well, will it charge the Note 9 quick? Yes, it will, but not as quick as the S10 would charge here. So we are going to test it out, especially since we have how long it took for the Note 9 to charge with this one. And since it's about the same battery, it kind of should give us an indication. Our current S10, we've been running all day and we have it going at 22%. So as soon as this dies, we're going to actually charge it and test it out in a separate video to see just how long it takes to charge the Galaxy S10. And we will see how long that really is, because with this new charge, it should be really interesting to see how long it will take. I'm curious to see if the fan is louder than this fan, just because the vents are definitely bigger. But yeah, I'm very curious to see just how it turns out. It's obviously very flat, which I do like, because I will say I actually traveled with this a couple of times to CES and to Unpack, to different events. And I will say that was my always one big thing, that I wish this could also have an option to lay flat. So I like that this one has the just ability to lay flat automatically. I wish it would have had a kick up like the old chargers, but it's definitely something that I really am excited to fast charge my phone even faster on wireless charging. I think that's something that a lot of people have been requesting for a lot longer. Wireless charging is definitely better for your battery, but the convenience factor has always been good, but people have still wanted faster charging instead of just the regular drop down and convenience factor. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Do you guys like this newer charger? And make sure to subscribe to check out our future video on how long it takes to charge the S10 Plus on this charger. And yeah, I'm very curious. I like the upgrade overall, but I did want to make sure you guys know the difference, that even though they have the same plug that comes with it, I have looked at it, it's the same exact plug as this one came with. This one is going to be 7.5 on both for the right side. The left side, however, will still be 7.5 on the left, and this one will be 12. All right, guys, hopefully this video helped you out. I definitely recommend buying this one. It's definitely priced right and something that everyone should take a look at. If you want to do Qi wireless charging, this is definitely the way to go. Thank you guys always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.